Have you ever heard about hydroponic farming? Hydroponic is a way to skip soil, sub in a different material to support the roots of the plant, and grow crops directly in nutrient-rich water. The problem that might faced by the farmer is they do not know the nutrient level of the medium, the pH content of the medium, the moisture level of the medium, as well as they cannot monitor the medium or the plant from far away. So, what is the best solution for this problem?
The ideas for the smart vertical hydrofarm kit is to innovate the vertical hydroponic to create more capabilities or features to enhance the hydroponic farming system. Smart vertical hydrofarm kit consists of new design and feature where a smart technology is included, which it can be controlled by the system that has been set up by the consumer. Then the system will monitor all the conditions on hydroponic for the user. The system can be set up based on the user preferences and plant desired conditions, because different plants will require different conditions such as a different amount of water or different pH. The technology used to focus on the efficiency of farming activities with only use of small amount of space and friendly smart technology.
Next, we focus on commercialization value.
After several observations on our product with other company product, we have found the strength, weakness, opportunity and threat for our product. Therefore, this smart vertical hydro farm kit is created to help with affordable price that most people can afford to buy. Next, this product is very easy to use and it is an eco-friendly technology. In addition, it helps in increasing yield in shorter time. Lastly, it is fully controlled remotely and require less human labor, especially for smallholder farmers. All of those can be our opportunity to compete with other companies. This product is planned to commercial for those who love green hobby, especially for home gardeners that has limited space to grow their plants. Other than that, we also target a smallholder farmers that want to increase their yields and profit through this technology.
The start and off can be controlled by using application in smartphone. The portable hydroponic kit will stay online to connected to the smartphone. The reading of all conditions also always be updated for healthy growth plant. The automation enables easy graphical user interface based on the programming, training and control as well as other monitoring system. The system can be scaled as per requirement to add new features.
A hydroponic reservoir is a crucial component of hydroponic system. The reservoir stores the water and nutrient solution that plants require for healthy growth. It allows the nutrient solution to be actively or passively delivered to the growing plants. For our device material, we use the black nutrient tank so that it will keep the nutrient solution dark and prevent algae from growing in the reservoir. This will reduce the frequency of the needs to clean out the reservoir and will improve the health of the overall plant. We also incorporated with smart sensor AS218 pH meter with our device in order to detect the pH level in the tank reservoir at specific time of the day.
This is our prototype of our product. First, we have LED grow light, the PVC hydroponic pipe which we plan here, power supply, the wheel, the control box, downward water pipe, water tank that contain water pump, the pipe connector, and last one we have upward water hose pipe, which the water out. That's all from us. Thank you for your time. Until we meet again.